Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool mixing product right here, and basically what this is a night light plug. So basically all you guys need to do is just plug this into your outlet, and once your room or your settings starts to get dark, then it actually will turn on by itself because it has a built-in sensor, which is pretty awesome. And for this night light, it's actually really cool because it has the option for you guys to change like the different colors on here using the button that they have that's on the actual night light right here. And this is by the brand called GE. And the one that we got right here comes in a pack of 4 of them. So I'm actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so you can see that this is basically what it looks like. Let me just take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like, since they're all the same thing. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So right here is the light option, and then right here is the button to change the different colors on here. So there's actually a lot of different color options on here. There's like pink, there's like red, there's like blue, there's like green, and the list goes on. You'll probably see it in the test when I actually test it out. But basically you guys want to plug this into a wall outlet. You can see the back right here. So we take this out. That's the wall outlet. You just want to plug it in to activate it. And then the bottom right here is a sensor. So basically once it senses that it has a lot of light in your room, like right now it's super bright, it won't work. But if it's like super dark when like during nighttime or whatever, then this product will turn on by itself, which is pretty cool. So for this test, I'm gonna show you guys how it works in the restroom where it can be super dark. I can't do it right now right here because it's still bright out right now when I'm recording. But it's definitely really cool how they give you guys the option to use like a solid color where you guys can change the color, or you guys can turn on like an RGB light where it turns on the color by itself automatically. And also give you guys the option where you can actually select just white color if you guys want it to be bright white. And this product works basically anywhere if you guys want to use it at home, in your office, your restroom, living room, or anywhere else. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go bring this over to the restroom and plug it in and test it out to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so right here we have the product. Let me show you guys how to install it and how to use it. So you basically just want to plug it into any outlet you guys have. So in this case, we'll use this one right here. Plug it in all the way. Alright. So once you guys have it plugged in, what you guys want to do next is to turn off the light. So I'll actually do that first. Alright. So you see that once we turn off the light and make it a lot darker, you can see the light turns on, and it has a little sensor at the bottom to detect when it's dark. That's why it turns on by itself. So if you guys want to change the different colors on here, you just have to press the button right here to change it. If you guys want to keep changing the colors on here, you can press the button. There's actually a lot of different modes on here. And there's just so many different color options here as well. So whether you guys want like a white light, a blue light, a yellow light, RGB light, automatic changing color light, you can definitely do all of that on here, you can see. So definitely really cool. You have a lot of different options on here to select from. So this is basically how you guys use the product. You can see it definitely looks pretty cool. Probably one of the coolest night light that I've tested so far. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product. You can definitely see that actually does work and it works quite well. Super easy to use. Literally all you can do is plug in the actual product, turn on the product by clicking on the button to change the different modes on here. And then all you have to do is press the button on the product to change the different colors on here. You can definitely see the light is super bright, and I really like the different color options available, so that way you guys can actually change it. You guys are not limited to just using like white or yellow. You guys can actually use like all different type of colors on there. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we do unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want more than need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a really cool night light that give you guys the option to change the different colors on here. And if you guys are trying to look for a night light that's pretty bright and really strong, then this one is definitely pretty awesome. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.